Hello, myself architect Prachi Garg, an associate architect at the firm Shelter Architects, Bathinda, Punjab. Today I am going to give you an exclusive tour of one of our upcoming glamorous projects. Our team has been working since last 2 years in the planning, designing and execution of this entire hotel project, which is owned by Mr. Grover. The structural part was dealt by the engineer Nitish Garg, who is running the firm Garg Builders. However, the entire construction, designing and execution was supervised by the architect Raj Kumar Garg, who is my father as well. With his immense experience of 30 years in the designing and construction industry of hotels as well as numerous other buildings, we are confident in the excellence of this venture as well. Let us begin the tour of Hotel Kings Plaza, which will be operated by the international brand The Clarks Inn. I will take you to the various spaces and design elements of this project that makes this project a remarkable one. At first, we have an entrance lobby and reception area. The reception counter and the back is very well lit and well planned. This hotel is a G+4 story building and it features a spacious staircase and lift area. You can have a look over here. These are two spacious luxurious lifts which will take you up to the terrace level. We have 4 floors at this building. You can have a look at the furniture also. All this furniture, the sofa and the tables are very well precisely selected, and now coming up onto the ceiling, we have beautiful chandeliers which are very well placed, lighting in between and creating a warm aura. Now let me take to a new place. So before entering into the main hall, we have this buffer area that is a buffer between the reception and the main function hall, the Emerald. You can have a look over this space. This has a beautifully and intricately designed ceiling and chandeliers, and along this space we have some restrooms for the users. Beside the restrooms, we have provided office spaces which are essential for the efficient working of this building project. Now I would love to invite you to the most inviting place of this hotel, the main function hall, which is named the Emerald. This is a magnificent double height hall which can accommodate about 250 guests at a time and meticulously designed. Every detail of the wall and even the ceiling is the result of n number of design strategies and the concept which is carried out by the team Shelter Architects, Bathinda. Adjoining the main function hall, the Emerald, we have this dining area which is there to provide you fine dine. The use of the mirrors and the acrylic sheets on the wall provides an enchanting atmosphere and creates a vibrant look. At the first floor, we have a spacious restaurant with the name The Bridge, which will bridge the gap between you and your food. This restaurant can cater about 100 guests at a time, and also there is a buffet counter at the back. Different discrete small elements are strategically placed to enhance your dining experience. I hope you will love your meals over here at the restaurant The Bridge. Now here we are at the bar. This is the spacious bar counter, and here we have a seating of about 40 to 45 people where you can enjoy your drinks with your friends and family, making your dining experience even more memorable. You can have a look. We have provided the partitions such intricately designed according to the theme of the bar, which will provide you more festive mood. Now I am at the second floor. Here we have provided 4 halls. The first one is the canvas boardroom. Let me take you to the boardroom. So this is the boardroom where people can accommodate and have their official meetings. This can accommodate about 25 guests at a time for the efficient working and management of the system. At the back, we have buffet counters for the in-between tea and snacks. At the second floor, after the boardroom, we have this spacious lobby which is equipped with fine furniture where you can have some rest. And along this side, we have some restrooms for the guests and the users. Apart from this boardroom, we have the main hall, that is the Crystal Hall, which can accommodate about 200 guests at a time. Let's enter into that space. Welcome you to the Crystal Hall. This is the Crystal Hall, and at this point we have a stage area, and after that stage area we have the sitting area for the visitors. You can have a look at the back. We have buffet counters for the dining area. Since this name Crystal came from maybe from the ceiling, and in the ceiling we have provided detailed cornices and moldings which enhances the design of this hall. Now let me take you to the small kitty halls we have provided over here. The first one is the pearl and the second one is the onyx. These halls can accommodate about 25 to 30 people at a time. You can have your small birthday parties, small gatherings and fine evenings over here. After the halls and the restaurants, we have 26 rooms at the third floor. Out of these 26, we are in the one room that is a suite. This is a living area you can see with the LCD panel where you can chill and enjoy. Now let me take you further. This is the washroom, well equipped with all the modern fixtures and will cater to your sanitary facilities. After the washroom, we have this bedroom which is well equipped with all the facilities and the storage cabinets at the back, a cupboard and again an LCD panel on the wall. Among these 26 bedrooms, we have some lake-facing bedrooms where you can enjoy your morning tea or evening supper with your friends and family. So that completes the video tour of our upcoming project. I hope you will like it. Additionally, if you have any dream project that needs construction, designing or even renovation, don't hesitate to contact us. Our team, Shelter Architects, is here to assist you. Thank you.